Good morning friends, welcome to my channel Shubham Tech. In this video, we talk how to keep your PC or laptop up to date for better security and increased efficiency and compatibility, etc. Now, click on search box on taskbar. Now, type check for updates. Now, click on check for updates. Tap on check for updates. To install this update, click on download and install. Now, we will wait till updates downloaded and installed. Downloading speed is slow in my PC due to network problem, but when the update is downloaded and installed successfully in your PC, you must restart your PC